she come back from school? करेक्ट. इसका आप रिप्लाई आप लोग कर सकते हैं अब, है ना. अब बताइए रिप्लाई क्या होगा. she
Comes
comes
back from school at
back
2 o'clock.
from school at 2. अच्छा, at 2 o'clock. ठीक है. और क्वेश्चंस बताइए इसके बाद क्या पूछ सकते हैं. अस्मी, सबको एक एक बताइए मुझे. अस्मी बताइए. आस्क वन क्वेश्चंस रिगार्डिंग हर डेली रूटीन. आर यू देयर अस्मी?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, आस्क वन क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग हर डेली रूटीन. पुट वन क्वेश्चन.
What does she do after coming back from school?
Very good. What does she do after coming back? What does she do after coming back from school? So what does she do? Hmm?
She watch mobile.
Here is na.
She watches
Soon after
mobile.
reaching home, she takes rest for some time. See?
She takes rest
Okay.
for 15
Uh,
minutes.
Here it's written. Watch mobile for 15 minutes. Okay. She watches mobile for 15 minutes and soon after reaching home, she takes rest for some time. What does she do after coming back from school? So she takes, okay, rest for some time after coming from school. Correct? Okay. Now, Kavyanjali put one question regarding her daily routine. All of you get ready to ask one question, okay? Anvesh, you also, okay? Then Shweta, everyone. I will take name. So think, who is ready to ask questions? Kabanjali, are you
Ma'am,
ready?
yes,
Tell
ma'am.
me.
For how
Ask
many
question.
times? For how many
Huh.
times she takes rest?
How many time? No. How many time does she take rest? For, okay. How many time? How many times? For how many times does she take rest in a day? एक दिन में वो कितने बार रेस्ट लेती है. सही है. अब डज लगाएंगे. हाँ. फॉर हाउ मेनी टाइम डज शी टेक रेस्ट इन ए डे. कितने बार लेती है रेस्ट वो. शी टेक्स रेस्ट ट्वाइस इन ए डे. 2 बार. हाँ. ठीक है. अब बताए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 कौन पूछेगा.
मैं बताऊँ?
विलास. हाँ बताओ.
मैं बताऊँ?
हाँ पूछो. क्वेश्चन पूछो.
After taking rest, does she watches mobile?
ओके. ऐसे बोल सकते हो. व्हाट डज शी डू आफ्टर टेकिंग रेस्ट. ओके. व्हाट
Yes.
डज शी डू आफ्टर टेकिंग रेस्ट. इस तरह क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. ठीक है. सो व्हाट डज शी डू आफ्टर टेकिंग रेस्ट.
मैम
हाँ.
मैम बोल सकता हूँ?
हाँ जरूर से बोलो. क्वेश्चन पूछो.
For
पूछो.
how many minutes does she watch mobile?
Yes, very good. 1 minute. For how many minutes does she watch mobile? Very good. Excellent. Huh? Anvesh. So, reply, for how many minutes does she watch mobile? See, you reply. Tell me. She?
Ma'am, 30.
Huh. Anvesh, please reply. She?
Watches mobile for 30 minutes.
Watches mobile for 50 minutes.
Very good. She watches. That I wanted to know. But after she, what you will put here? So, watch. In place of watch, you will put there watches. She watches mobile for 15 minutes. Now tell me, who will ask question next?
मैम
Who
मैं
is going to
पूछूं
ask? हाँ बेबब क्यों नहीं पूछो
what does
बोलो
she eat in her lunch?
very good what does she eat okay in her lunch अब इसका रिप्लाई आप ही दीजिए बताइए क्या क्या खाती है लंच में what does she eat in her lunch she
She
बताइए
eats
she eats
rice.
rice हाँ dal okay and vegetable correct
Yes, ma'am.
vegetables with pickle huh? Huh? with pic curry pickle in her lunch okay another question tell me okay who hasn't Shweta ask one question regarding her daily routine Shweta Siddhi Aman please ask one question Soumya Sri, ask one question.
Yes, ma'am.
Soumya Sri, ask one
What
question.
does he do after the siesta?
Very good. What does she do after when let me AFT after the siesta? Very good. After the siesta. So what does she do after the siesta? Tell me, Soumya Sri. She plays.
He goes to the park and
Very
play with her friends.
Very good. She goes to the park and plays with her friends. Excellent, Soumya Sri. Excellent. Number 13. Tell me. Who is
Ma'am,
going
can
to
I
tell? Why not? Tapas, tell.
for how many time does she take siesta?
Siesta only she takes once in a means in a day, na? One time only. Okay. Another question. Yes,
मैम वो
Aryan.
कितना टाइम के लिए लेती है?
So for how many? Okay, ये वाला time था क्या? For how many time?
How
For
many
how many
hours?
time? For how many times नहीं होगा. फिर how many hour? क्या हो जाएगा? Tapas? How many
For
hour हो
how
जाएगा?
many
ठीक है ना?
hours?
हाँ, ऐसे हो जाएगा. हाँ, आर्यन
For
बताओ.
how many hours does she take siesta?
Very good, excellent. हाँ, आर्यन.
Ma'am, the question is for how many time does she play with her friends?
हाँ, ये भी ठीक है. For how many time does she play with her friend? Correct. और कुछ बताइए. उसके बाद बताइए. डू डस से क्वेश्चंस करिए कोई. डू डस से. सिद्धि कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछना है प्लीज पूछिए.